Thanks for viewing this property. Please contact me by email at chip@chiplanders.com or call my cell phone at 772-473-7888 for further information. Desirable 2+10 Villa West/2 car garage. HoA takes care of all maintenance including exterior paint and amp, roof, newer air conditioner and appliances. Accordion hurricane shutters. Enclosed/screen porch for year-round use. Central vac, plantation shutters. Tile everywhere except bedrooms. Corner lot across street from community pool/common area.